Let's learn IIB. Today, we will create a flow that updates values that already exist in cache. We don't want to apply update on the entire cache with full refresh operation. That is covered in part 2 of this video series. We will apply incremental updates to one record. We now need some indicator to say when the cache was updated. Let's build that into the values stored in cache. I created a new field in employee data model to store the cache updated time for our demo. Value gets populated by the constructor method. In case you don't remember, this is how our employee data model was before our change. Don't forget to update XML schema for this new field. Now that I think about it, it's better if you start from XSD and then make your way towards Java. Best practice is not to alter your Java objects, instead have the tool generate it for you. If you decide not to modify JAXP objects, then you have to modify ECQL code and introduce new field called cache updated at. Now load the entire cache and view the new field created. Observe that we do not interact with database here. We get record from cache and update it. No DB lookup. Uppercase transformation is applied to last name as a visual indicator for update applied. Note the use of parse clause in create statement. Learn about it. With this, we have modified a record in cache. When you do a full refresh, transformations that you applied with cache update call will be reverted. Where can you use this feature? My guess would be when you have thousands of records in table and you don't want to do a full refresh. That's the first. And second, when you want to apply a temporary change, such as changing timeout period for a target system HTTP call from 10 seconds to 30 seconds. Let me know in comments if you can think of any other use case.